the festival of the festivals the festivals of Indian states of Indian states of Indian states the festival of the festivals of Indian states cities and its cities, the festivals of Indian and cities at present. Now, first question: which Madurai city is known as the city of festivals. City of festivals. Madurai city is known as the city of festivals. Madurai city is located on the banks of river Vagai, VAGA, Vagai, in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu. Madurai city is located in Tamil Nadu on the bank of river Vagai. Now question from here. City of festivals. Madurai city is known as the city of festival. Meenakshi Amma temple is also known as Sundareshwar temple. Yeah. Meenakshi temple is dedicated to goddess Parvati and god Shiva. Meenakshi temple. It is located in Madurai city. It is located in Madurai in Tamil Nadu. Now next question from here. Pongal festival, Jallikattu festival, Thaipusam festival are the important festival from state of Tamil Nadu. Pongal festival, Jallikattu festival and Thaipusam festival from Tamil Nadu, the important festival of Tamil Nadu. Now next question: Ugadi festival, UGADI, Ugadi festival, Kanuma festival and Flamingo Utsav festivals of the state of Andhra Pradesh. Now from question here, Kanuma festival is also known as the festival of as the festival of cattle. Festival of cattle. The important festival from Andhra Pradesh, Ugadi, Kanuma, and Flamingo Utsav. Now next question from the festival of states. Herat festival, Herat, Herat festival, and Kanchot festival, KNCS, Kanchot festival, Herat festival and Kanchot festival, the festival from Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. Now Jammu and Kashmir become the UT of India, Union Territories of India. Union Territories of India, Jammu and Kashmir at present. Now next question. Chapcharkut festival. Chapcharkut festival, the important festival of the Chapcharkut festival is the important festival of Mizoram state. Mizoram state. Chapcharkut festival of Mizoram. Now next question. Sagadawa festival and Lusung festival festivals of the state of Sikkim. Sagadawa and Lusung festival of the state of Sikkim, the important festival from the state of Sikkim. Now next question. Next question from festival of Indian state. Mando festival, Mando festival, Sunburn festival, Laden festival, LED Laden festival, Sun festival, Laden festival, Sigmo festival, and Sigmo festival, SIG Sigmo festival are the important festivals from the state of Goa. Mando festival, Sunburn festival, Laden festival, LADIN Laden festival, and Sigmo festival are the important festivals from state of Goa. Now next question from the festivals of state. Onam festival, Bisu festival, Thumbi festival, and Makara Vikali festival. Makara MAKARA, Makara Vila Mera Vika Ku festival. Makara Vila Ku festival and Dragonfly festivals of the state of Kerala. Onam festival, Visu festival, Thumbi festival, Makara Vilaku festival, and Dragon festival from the state of Kerala. That is the important festivals. Now next question Makara Vilaku festival is celebrated is celebrated at Sabrimala temple to Lord Ayappa. It is annual 7 days. It is annual 7 days festival. 7 days festival. It is annual 7 days festival. Beginning on the day of Makar Sankranti. It is followed 14 or 15 January in every year. Now next question. कुंभ मेला खिचड़ी पर्व कुंभ मेला खिचड़ी पर्व जगरी फेस्टिवल in Lucknow, in the city of Lucknow. Banana festival in Kushinagar. Strawberry festival in Jhansi, and Kala Namak festival and Kala Namak rice festival. Kala Namak rice festival in Siddharth Nagar. All the festivals, Kumbh Mela, Khichdi Parv, Jaggery festival in Lucknow, Banana festival in Kushinagar, Strawberry festival in Jhansi, and Kala Namak rice festival in Siddharth Nagar. All our festivals are celebrated in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Now question from here. Hareli festival, Hareli, Hareli festival. Bhagoria festival, Bhagoria Heart festival, Lok Ranjan festival, corn festival, corn festival or green corn festival, green corn festival and chili festival, are the important festival of the state of Madhya Pradesh. Of the state of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh. Now question from here. Lok Ranjan. Lok Ranjan festival. Lok Ranjan festival is also known as Khajuraho dance festival. Khajuraho dance festival of the state of Madhya Pradesh. Now next question from the state. Hemis festival. Hemis festival and Sputnik Booster festival. Sputnik, SPITUTUK. Sputnik Booster festival. GBSTR Booster festival. Booster festival. Hemis festival and Sputnik Booster GBSTR Booster festival of Ladakh. Now Ladakh became the UT, Union Territory of India. Ladakh UT. Now next question from Hornbill festival. Hornbill festival and Mosu festival. MOATSTASU. Mosu festival of Nagaland. Mosu festival. The important festival, Mosu festival and Hornbill festival of the state of Nagaland state. Now next question. Bastar, BUSTA Bastar, Dasehra and National Tribal Dance festival of the state of Chhattisgarh. Now next question. Gangaur festival, Teej festival, Bundi festival, Gangaur festival, Teej festival, Bundi festival, Elephant festival of the city Jaipur. Woods festival, URSA Woods festival in city Ajmer. Matsya festival, MATS Matsya festival, city of Alwar. Camel festival, Bikaner city, and desert festival Jaisalmer. are the important festival of the state in the state Rajasthan. Rajasthan. Gangaur festival, Teej festival, Bundi festival, Elephant festival in Jaipur city, Urs festival in Ajmer city, Maste festival in Alwar city, Camel festival in Bikaner, and Desert festival in Jaisalmer. That these festivals are celebrated in the state of Rajasthan. Rajasthan. That is from the Festival of Indian States and Cities. Today class.